Current AI coding tools function as sophisticated autocomplete. They suggest a function or finish a line, but the developer still physically manages the codebase, debugging syntax and manually holding the context together. It creates a bottleneck where the human is the primary engine of execution. Released in late 2025, Antigravity was named as a callback to two pieces of developer lore: a 2009 web physics Easter egg where the Google search UI became weightless, and a Python module that opens a comic about flight. The branding points toward a specific goal: removing the manual friction, the weight of software development. Antigravity functions as an agent-first development platform. It integrates the reasoning of the Gemini 3 Pro model directly into the software lifecycle, moving beyond the simple suggestions of a standard code editor. This architecture changes the human requirement for a project. You no longer act as just a code writer. Instead, the platform requires you to function as a systems architect, setting high-level objectives while the agents handle the implementation details. In this environment, the ability to write code quickly is a secondary skill. Scale is achieved by those who can effectively delegate the entire execution to the machine. Setup requires a local installation on Mac, Windows, or Linux, and authentication through a Google account. From there, you define the agent's autonomy settings, choosing between a review-driven mode for manual approval or a full autopilot for autonomous execution. Management happens in the manager view. Here, you provide objectives in natural language rather than writing syntax. This orchestrates the agent swarm. Multiple agents work in parallel, one writing Python backend logic while another builds a Flutter frontend simultaneously. The system also includes a built-in browser agent. This sub-agent launches a sandboxed browser, autonomously clicking buttons and filling forms to perform UI testing. As the agents work, they produce artifacts to verify their progress. These include implementation plans, detailed task lists, and actual video recordings, providing a transparent record of how the code functions. This shift moves the developer's daily focus away from hunting for syntax errors and toward the verification of finished, tested deliverables. To access real-world data, Antigravity uses the Model Context Protocol, or MCP. This universal connector links the IDE hub to external databases. Agents natively query live environments, translating natural language into database operations to pull schemas and logs. For company-specific workflows, the platform uses skills. These modular, file-based extensions teach the agent how to perform repeatable tasks, like specific Git formatting or template generation. These skills trigger semantically. The agent only loads the exact logic required for the current task, automatically discarding any irrelevant information, limiting unused data in the context window, and reducing the risk of AI hallucinations. An AI agent without external context is restricted to generic code generation, but combining MCP connectivity with custom skills gives the AI the data awareness of an experienced engineer. We are seeing this impact at every level of development. Solo founders are currently using these agents to move from a prompt to a full-stack functional MVP in under 15 minutes. Agencies are leveraging the platform to chain custom skills together, automating the setup of project folders, drafting welcome emails, and updating CRMs for new clients. Large enterprises use the tool to map legacy dependencies, safely refactoring hundreds of thousands of lines of code into a modern, organized structure. This has led to the rise of vibe coding. It's an operational standard where the human focuses on strategy and logic, while the AI manages the terminal, the browser, and the code editor to absorb the execution friction. Demand for this approach is high because it targets the primary bottleneck in technical growth, the sheer volume of engineering time required to build and maintain systems. Antigravity acts as a central orchestrator for this new development cycle. As agents become more autonomous, the most successful developers will be those who master the management and orchestration of these digital employees.